Today we have a syringe pump from Fresenius Kabi, the Agilia SP. In this syringe pump, you can see the structure. The blue parts are movable. This blue, this blue, this blue, and this. These all structures are movable. Now, for mounting it, we need to take it out. Like this, we need to take this out. Now, for starting, we are pressing this. Now it started and it's showing device operating on battery. Now, basic profile. So it will show this. You need to press OK. Then syringe installation. It is, as I have opened this, it is asking for syringe installation. So I have a demo syringe. I am installing that. This syringe is for testing purpose. That's why markings are not that much visible. So I have attached this. Now it is giving indication to apply this. So by pressing this, I will attach it over here. You can see. Now close the line. Okay. Now there is an auto detection feature. So in this, it automatically detects the syringe. See, it is written syringe brown Omniflex 50 ml. It is automatically detecting the syringe. There is inbuilt function. We need to press OK or C cancel. OK. Now with this, there are buttons for changing values. This is for changing the numbers. This is for changing the decimal count. This is for decrement or decreasing, and this is for increasing. So these two for increasing, these two for decreasing, and this is for starting. If you press this, it will start. You can see a man walking. You can see now a man walking. You can see an animation of a man running. So it is showing the speed at, or you can say the animating the speed of syringe which we are infusing, the speed. And secondly, you can see the green lines. The speed of green lines will indicate you how fast the infusion is. It is an indicative, and basic value is this written over here. So this is the battery symbol, this is the animation, this is the value, this is the unit, and this is the volume, and this is the syringe and its ml. Here in the syringe pump, this is the on off switch. This is for the bolus. And as I've told you, this is for increasing and decreasing the values. This is for the starting the infusion. Okay. And this is the stopping. And this is menu or exit. And this is for alarm silence. If there is an alarm, you can silence this alarm. And there are two indications. This is of battery low, and this is for power indication. If we have given the power, so it will indicate over here with this, and battery low with this. This is the back side of the syringe pump. So here you can see lock indication. This is unlock. So as you do this, one key comes over here. This is for stacking of syringe pump. If you want one more syringe pump over here, it can attach over here. And when this comes out, so it locks. It gets locks. You can see here blue marking. So this gets locked. And when this comes, unlock comes into this indications, means it is unlock. Now this is for stacking it to IV stands. So there is a screwing action, and you can stack this to IV stand. Here the power cord gets inside, and this is for the speaker, and this is for the communication. This comes out like this, and you can attach IV strands, or you can attach this syringe pump to IV stand through this, and there is a screwing action. With this you can attach it. And if there is another mechanism, by just, I will show you from another angle. See, this gets inside, you can see. So if I put here, so it will change the direction. the direction is changed. Okay, so direction can be changed through this. And again, if we want to change it, press it, move it. This clamps folds back. For giving bolus, we need to just press it. See the bolus, we are giving here bolus. The man is walking fastly, the LED is moving faster. You can see during bolus what happens. I am continuously pressing the bolus key. Now menu. One by one you can have a look of all the things like alarm volume, view float rate history, pressure history, then event log, then date time, then maintenance, then we have profile, basic profile, then pressure. Here you see limit current and dynamic pressure system DPS. The menu is in circular form, so after coming back to last menu you will again reach back to the first. Again pressing the menu button to exit. So menu, you can enter the menu as well as exit with the same button. For any alarm acknowledgement, you can just press that alarm button. For switching off, we need to press this button, press and hold, then it gets switched off. Now for removing, open this, then you need to press this down and this will come out like this. This is out for putting syringe inside. Fixed.